Here we go again, my friends. First of all, happy Friday. Second of all, we're talking about showers and thunderstorms to ramp back up again throughout the day today. And there are some changes, a few tweaks to the forecast, so let's get to work with that. We made it into the 70s and even mid-80s, picked up nearly an inch of rain at some of the airports around town, and even more than that in other locations, places like the Cumberland Plateau. Factors 24 hours, upwards of 3 inches. Same with parts of McMinn, Monroe into the mountains of Blount County. Over the last 2 days, we've added even more, so 2 to 4 inches across the northern plateau and nearing 3 to 4 inches across parts of McMinn and Monroe, stretching into Blount County. So we've seen some decent rain, some solid downpours for some. So that's going to be insult to injury if we get more showers and thunderstorms over the same locations. Now, the changes for today, Upper East Tennessee is not a risk by the Storm Prediction Center. It's down across the southern valley that we do again have that level 1 risk where we could see some damaging hail up to about an inch in diameter and size of a quarter. Could see some strong gusty winds or severe winds. And like yesterday, while we don't have a major risk for tornadoes by the Storm Prediction Center, you can never take that off the table. And we saw that in Cumberland County, and we saw that over into North Carolina late last night. So medium category for damaging winds, hail, and localized flooding. Not likely in the tornado category, but once again, you can never just take that completely out of a forecast when we're talking severe weather. All right, so our future cast picking up our timeline this morning. We'll run you through lunchtime. We're doing fine. Into the afternoon, mostly fine. But here comes this next piece of energy as we get into the 4, 5, 6 o'clock hours. So could be dealing with showers and thunderstorms for the evening rush hour and dinner time as well. As it moves its way to the north and east, it should begin to weaken. So the strongest thunderstorms, again, basically Interstate 40 south, closer to Chattanooga. So have a way to receive that weather information. We broadcast live with the East Tennessee Weather app. You can get that on your cell phone, on your tablets. You go to easttnweather.com on your computers, and of course all social media, where I think a lot of you have been joining over the last couple of days for severe weather. Rainfall, again, going to be hit and miss, but solid downpours with any of the storms that really develop throughout the afternoon and into the evening hours. So something to keep in mind here throughout the day today. Temperature-wise, not bad. We're going to be in the upper 70s as we get into the 3 o'clock hour to pockets of low, maybe a couple pockets of mid-80s across the southern valley, 70s across the plateau and upper East Tennessee as well. That's going to make for a nice, comfortable evening. But again, some of us may be dealing with some showers and thunderstorms as we get into the evening rush hour, dinner and bedtime, at which point it starts to weaken. Here is that change I was talking about. Good news. And I've been saying this over the last couple of days. I really wasn't thinking that we're going to see a whole lot of activity on Saturday. So we've been taken out of the level 1 risk by the Storm Prediction Center. Does that mean it's totally off the table? No. I still think we're going to have some showers and thunderstorms, but they're going to be very isolated in nature, not a lot more of organization. And again, I think we'll start the morning off with maybe a few scattered showers. So if you're heading off to the lakes early in the morning, a little bit of morning rain, but then as we get into the afternoon, I actually think we're going to see more sunshine, and I think it's going to still be the best day of the weekend. Now, with that also said, I don't necessarily think that Sunday is going to be a total washout, nor is Monday, but we are looking at severe weather to ramp back up. So temperatures into the holiday weekend, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, will be in the low to mid 80s, a solid forecast temperature-wise. But as we get into our Sunday and Monday time frame, here we go. We've got a big risk for severe storms. Level 1, level 2 risk so far here locally. We also have a level 3 risk across parts of the Ohio Valley, up into the Great Lakes and the upper Midwest. That's where the bullseye will be, because that's where the area of low pressure is going to be tracking. So come back down tomorrow, stay elevated Sunday, and then fall off as we get into next week as some cooler, more stable air starts to settle its way on. All right, here we go. Saturday morning, we're picking up our timeline. We do have a frontal boundary that's going to be kind of swinging in and around the area, but really it's going to be Sunday. So again, I do think that Saturday is going to be the best day, but Sunday, here comes a powerful cold front and a strong low pressure system up across the Great Lakes. So we really have to get an idea as we get closer to our Sunday, the timing, the intensity of this low, how it all evolves over time. But as you saw with the Storm Prediction Center, we do have that level 1, level 2, and level 3 risk for severe storms. Through Sunday, here's your rainfall forecast through next Tuesday and by next Thursday. So I don't think we're going to see a whole lot of rain. We're going to shut down the rain chances as we head into the middle and latter part of next week. That also brings us some cooler, much more comfortable 70s, not to mention some comfortable morning temperatures with lows in the 50s. So have a way to receive weather information as we are about strong to severe thunderstorms as you head out and about on the lakes or do some hiking or outdoor events or barbecues here this upcoming weekend. It's 100% free. Just go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and search ESTN Weather, all one word. The interactive radar is absolutely the best, giving you current, past, and future radar, all with the push of that play button. Have a great day.